Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram chats and messages. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Then tap on Settings. Within the Settings and Security, look for an option that says Download data or download your information and select it. You may need to verify your identity at this point. Follow the prompts to authenticate yourself. Once verified, Instagram will begin preparing a copy of your data and send it to the email address linked to your account. Check your email for a message from Instagram containing the download link. Download the file to your device. Open the downloaded file and locate the section where deleted messages are stored. If you have the latest Instagram version, return to your profile by tapping on your profile picture again. Tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Instead of going to Settings, tap on your activity, typically found as the second option in the menu. Scroll down and tap on Download Your Information, located at the bottom of the screen. Choose Messages from the list of available information types. Tap on Next and then select Create File. Instagram will now prepare your information for download, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.